Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble with object to path, and this file is huge. I mean, this line is 200 inches long. But anyway, I think they just did it for the practice with. But when you go to object and object to path, you select your object first, and then you hit your path with your shift key. We're going to rotate it 20 times, and this is what they're getting. They don't want that. So a couple of things. Put your object origin at the bottom. Now watch the difference now. But we still they don't want this. So what you want to do is right in here, right here, take away auto rotate, follow path, ignore initial rotation. So it doesn't really matter what that is rotated wise, and then hit apply. That's what they're looking for, like a grass seascape. So when you're using object to path, just look around. One thing I like about object to path, you can keep the original, do the exact same thing, and your original is still down here to play with if you want to do some more grasses. Pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope that helped them.